Good afternoon, everyone. This is our project Elita Garden Vista, and this is a 3 BHK with 3 toilet apartment of 1588 square feet sellable area. And you can see this is the entry, and just see the lobby space. And here you can see the lift space and the lobby space. And this project is absolutely ready to move in condition right now, so you can shift within 6 to 7 months of time. So this is the huge living cum dining space, you can see, with great lights. And just see, this is the view from the window of the living cum dining space. Beautiful view. Beautiful view of the central garden and the outside city. Excellent green view. And here is the balcony space. So it's a beautiful balcony space along with great view of Newtown. And this side, this is the kitchen space. So beautiful rectangle shaped kitchen with countertops on both the sides. And with this you can have your service balcony. This is your service balcony. And again, see, just come, this is the lobby space. Just on my left side, this is the common toilet space. You can see the beautiful common toilet space along with separate space for bath, wall mount commode, basin area. And just opposite to that, this is the first bedroom. So along with a very big size cupboard space, you could decorate your wardrobe and cupboards over here. And just see the switches and beautiful French style window with a perfect view of the city outside. And again, see, these are the fit outs, AC fit outs. And just come again. So we are entering into the right side. This is the first master bedroom. Excellent entry space with a very big size attached toilet with all Jacquard fittings, wall mount commode and basin space. Excellent space for the toilet. Now see, this is the space of this bedroom. Perfect size master bedroom with having a French style window. And just see the view from this window. Excellent view. Just see the view of the city outside and the water body view and the view of the inside. So excellent light. So this is the AC fit out. So come again, and so we are entering into the third bedroom or second master bedroom. So this is the third bedroom. Excellent space with both the side windows and a very big size cupboard space. And from here you can see the view. There is the outside view. Excellent city view from the window, and beautiful size master bedroom. And you can see this is the refuge terrace just adjacent to this apartment, and see the view, internal views. It's a beautiful master bedroom with having another attached toilet over here. So with a basin space, wall mount commode, and separate space for bath. With all switch points and AC fit out over here. So beautiful bedroom. This apartment is having a size of 1588 square feet sellable area, with having 3 bedroom and 3 toilet. So thank you for watching, and we are having some great offers right now for festival times. So please call as early as possible for offers, and we are having very limited number of flats available right now. So hurry up, don't miss out this opportunity. So hope you enjoyed this video. So we are waiting for your valuable feedbacks and responses. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a great day. Thanks.